Hi there, my name is Esther from Gather and Create, if we haven't met before. If we have, thank you so much for coming back. It's great to have you here. Today I am hopping with the craft collabs, and we all have some Christmas home decor items to share with you. So this is your chance to get super inspired. Everyone's going to have something different but equally fun and awesome to share with you. So do hop along with us, and the next person is in the description below. I am making a mug, and yeah, if this is your first time seeing sublimation, then I'm gonna do a step-by-step video for you. So yeah, let's get stuck in. Okay, so I am on design bundles, and I have Plus membership, which you can have too. It's basically a subscription service, so you pay a monthly fee and you have all of these exclusive Plus membership designs you can choose from and add to your basket, all within the monthly price, which is pretty cool. You also get a discount off their regular design items. So I thought this was pretty cute. This is my hot chocolate sipping and Christmas movie watching mug. My favourite thing to do is watch Christmas movies. I would literally watch them all year round. So it seemed appropriate, and I thought it was pretty cute Christmas decor as well. Hence the project today. So let's do buy now for one plus credit and confirm that, and I'm going to download that. So I want to download now. I don't. Okay, so that is coming here. Let's go to my downloads. Don't know if it's quite ready actually. Let me just go back in. Here we go. There it is. Yeah, it's all ready. Right, so I'm going to go to my Sawgrass. So let's head to Creative Studio, which is all part of the package that you get when you buy a Sawgrass sublimation printer. So I'm going to hit the Start Creating button. I'm going to actually go to my favourites because the 11-ounce mug is already in my favourites. So that's what we're using, 11-ounce mug. And I'm going to go to Galleries and My Images, and I'm going to choose to upload an image. Let's go to the quick access one there and hit save. Okay, so there we've got it here on the left hand side. It's into my saved images. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to automatically add that to my blank design. Now I can see that we just need to tweak this a tiny bit because we've got out of the print area a little bit. So I'd rather lose a little bit of that burlap than anything else. Just going to send that. Let's just hit the 3D preview button here. So there we go, that's what it would look like. This is my hot chocolate sipping and Christmas movie watching mug. It's pretty cute, isn't it, that preview? I like it. Okay, I'm just going to check it a little bit in real life. It's all looking good. So then it tells you what you need your heat press settings at, so mug press. So it needs to be 375 Fahrenheit or 191 centigrade, between 2.5 and 3.5 minutes, pressure medium. So I kind of have mine set up to what works, what I found works for my particular mug and my particular printer. So I'll have it set to that, and I will go back over the settings when I press it for you guys. So now we're going to print that out, and then you'll see you've got your options for the page size. So mine's A4. It's mirroring it for me. It knows it's a ceramic mug. It's doing it high quality, photographic, and I don't need the colour palette. So just hit print. That will then take it to the, bounce it back to the Sawgrass server. I've got my separate window has popped up here for my print manager, and so this is what it will come up as, and obviously we don't want it that way, so we need to hit layout, and I want to preserve the layout from designer. So you go, that is the way we want that to look, and then hit print, and I'll see you back at the mug press. Right, so this is my Sawgrass SG500 printer. So you'll need a sublimation printer. I have my mug press, which I will link everything in the description below. You need a microfiber cloth or some sort of lint-free cloth. You need your heat resistant tape to tape your design down. A mug, which I won't take out the box until I'm completely ready because I don't want any fingerprints or anything on there. And you'll need some kind of heat proof mat to put your mug onto when it comes out of the mug press, because it will be uber hot. And I have gone ahead and cut the design down to mug size, so it's just basically I've just taken it off the edges and then just use the paper trimmer to take the top and the bottom off. And you can have a little play on a different mug just to make sure that you're happy with the centering before you use it on your final project. You will also need a mug in, not the mug you're using, but a different mug in the heat press while it's heating up, otherwise you will blow a fuse. So I will just let this get heated up, so we just switch it on. Okay, so I'm going to take my mug out of its box now, and they always come in these little plastic wrappers as well, and just holding it by the handle, going to wipe it with this cloth. Okay, just make sure it's got nothing on it that's going to detract from the print. Okay, then I'm going to take my design and my tape and wrap it around, so you just kind of want to center it. I mean, I basically try and just see through it. I can see some of the truck there, and then you want it so that you've got it equal on the top and the bottom as well. It takes a little bit of fiddling, but it's fine. And then once I'm happy with the positioning, I tend to just get my bit of tape on quick so that it doesn't shift again. Then you're free to, got free hands then to tape the rest of it up without the risk of it moving around on you at all. So you really want to get the edges taped down so that you've got proper colour transference. That beep is just letting me know that the press is ready. Good, so that is now ready to go into the mug press. So I'll set that for the right time and I'll be back with you to show you what it looks like all done. Okay, the beep is telling me that the mug is done. I'm going to switch it off and just move you a second. So you're just going to move the clamp down. The handle shouldn't be hot, so I'm just using that cloth. Just pop it onto the heat mat for a second, and I always just put the heating up mug straight back in again. That's in there and ready to go for the next time. So this will be pretty hot, but let's do it because I can't wait. We've got tape on there, don't forget. I'll just get my nail polish on there. Let's get you off. Cute. Cute. I basically immediately need to put some hot chocolate in here and get a Christmas film on, because I don't know about you, but I am excited. This is so my hot chocolate sipping and Christmas movie watching mug. I might just carry it in my handbag wherever I go. Do you love it? Do you love the colours? Don't forget you can dishwash this as well. It's not going to crack, it's not going to come off, it's not going to peel. You can make this part of your decor, Christmas decor, but obviously you can gift these as well. How about gifting them with some nice Christmas sweets in there, some cellophane and a nice big bow, and you are good to go. But look at the colours on that. Isn't it great? Do you love it? Look how quick it is as well. Super, super easy. So thank you so much for stopping by my channel today, my little corner of YouTube. It's been great to spend time with you. Do check out the link in the description below for the next person up on this hop, and yeah, get yourself super inspired for all those Christmas decor items. And also the description will have all of the things I've used today, and I'll also pop the details onto my blog. But for now, I'm off to watch some Christmas movies. I've got hot chocolate to make, and I'll see you all very soon. You take care. Bye bye.